safe to use? Are GMC wheel spacers safe to use? Quality GMC wheel spacers are aesthetically safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel studs of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any GMC wheel spacers in stock. Installed hub-centric GMC wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric GMC wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These GMC wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for tight fit, providing a minimum chance of wheel vibration. Quality GMC wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many GMC wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum GMC wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best GMC wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric GMC wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the trim first match the corresponding hub branch, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the GMC wheel spacers and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric GMC wheel spacers. Will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, the BONOSS forged active cooling GMC wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow this thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, the BONOSS forged active cooling GMC wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. So the next question: are GMC wheel spacers good or bad? Quality GMC wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The GMC wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the wheel hub assembly and wheels. High-quality GMC wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel education, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. GMC wheel spacers offer easy and quick position adjustments, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and cheerful appearance. Installing GMC wheel spacers is a great way to fix one of set driving problems. They are installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These GMC wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires, providing against the suspension component. There are performance benefits to upgrading with GMC wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduce risk. What's better by spacing the wheels out from the suspension? The GMC wheel spacers provide sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the Many people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. Many people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS Forge active cooling GMC wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any kind of 4x4 event. These GMC wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, the BONOSS Forge active cooling GMC wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. We can see there are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. To ensure strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS Forge active cooling GMC wheel spacers feature ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud, as well as ISO grade 10 lug nuts. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and HERE certification report. In addition, BONOSS Forge active cooling GMC wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, giving customers peace of mind. Such BONOSS Forge active cooling GMC wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs. So the next question, why do you need to install GMC wheel spacers with hub entry? GMC wheel spacers Why do you need to install GMC wheel spacers with hub entry? GMC wheel spacers are a common modification for car mode lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The GMC wheel spacers are available in two types, one with hub entry and one without hub entry. Recommend installing the wheel spacers with hub entry. The GMC wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the hub-centric GMC wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS GMC wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS GMC wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this kind of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than lug-centric. This is why this kind of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of the vehicle. Besides, the BONOSS Forge active cooling GMC wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect improve road safety. So, if you are considering installing the wheel spacers on your GMC, remember to choose the ones with half century. So, the next question, can GMC wheel spacers cause wheel vibration? Do GMC wheel spacers cause wheel vibration? People worry that the GMC wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, GMC wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. In fact, GMC wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is zero sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the GMC wheel spacers and the tightness of the lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. The fitness of the GMC wheel spacers and the tightness of the lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric GMC wheel spacers. On lug-centric spacers mean there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle hubs only by the wheel stud. If you are using these cheap spacers, there is a high risk of vibration. In this case, well-produced half-century GMC wheel spacers will be the easiest solution. As long as you use correct GMC wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel stud and the lug nut use a clamping force to secure the GMC wheel spacers and wheels. If the stud or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM 410 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. With high strength, your GMC wheel spacers can be a more processed without breaking. Half-century GMC wheel spacers keep the wheel century on the balance. Half-century GMC wheel spacers keep the wheel century and balance on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacers and wheel are properly torqued, the half-century ring covers the gap between the center bolt of the vehicle to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, half-century GMC wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issues. BONOSS GMC wheel spacers are designed with better multi-state half-century rings. The half-century middle ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the barrels fit the corresponding hub branch, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, their CNC machine with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since GMC wheel spacers are components that contain the other part, you absolutely need tight tolerance. The next question, how do GMC wheel spacers work? How do wheel spacers work on your GMC? GMC wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality GMC wheel spacers can help the vehicle with small modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel application, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. GMC wheel spacers offer easy and wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and check-foot appearance. Using GMC wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame. We have assembly or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good GMC wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. The BONOSS manufacturers a huge range of GMC wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory with a high security and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test record. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 1 inch to 50 millimeters. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 1 inch to 50 millimeters. BONOSS GMC wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the chip spacers that use low quality are not strong enough and endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional GMC wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the BONOSS forged after-cooling GMC wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow this thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for. They are small. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow this thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the air below, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. Also, the GMC wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind. So, the next question. Which wheel spacers brand is best for your GMC? Which brand is best for your GMC wheel spacers? Which wheel spacers brand is best for your GMC? When it comes to GMC wheel spacers, brands matter. Brands offer safety and reduce the risk of disappointment. High-quality brand spacers pay off big time in terms of reliability. This is especially critical when you frankly go off-roading. High-quality GMC wheel spacers bring a level of reliability. High-quality GMC wheel spacers bring a level of reliability that also reduce maintenance costs. Real GMC wheel spacers from reputable companies are always the safety options. Safest. Companies that provide quality well-made GMC wheel spacers invest a healthy sum in designing and testing their product. Years of research and development make their GMC wheel spacers safer and more reliable. So, genuine brand GMC wheel spacers are essentially safe for daily driving or off-roading. So, genuine brand GMC wheel spacers are essentially safe for daily driving or off-roading. It's proven that as long as you use quality it is proven that as long as you use high-quality GMC wheel spacers and install them properly, there will be no safety issues. BONOSS brand GMC wheel spacers strive to maintain top quality and the best user experience. Designed with longevity and consumer safety in mind, BONOSS promise an incompromised fit, finish, and level of quality. Apart from the base function of spacers, BONOSS GMC wheel spacers provide more particular features. For example, they have the cooling function. Distribute in petal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, improving road safety. In order to distinguish the real BONOSS GMC wheel spacers and protect customers' interests, BONOSS has built a complete authentication. BONOSS has built a complete authentication system. When you get BONOSS GMC wheel spacers, check their authentication. Check the authentication code on the package. Then compare these numbers with BONOSS official stores database. If they don't match, they are not genuine BONOSS product. It is always good to use genuine brand GMC wheel spacers. Each BONOSS wheel spacers is BONOSS engraved. These GMC wheel spacers are made in BONOSS own factory, so the quality is well guaranteed. Besides, genuine BONOSS GMC wheel spacers are covered by the manufacturer's warranty. Good quality is guaranteed to perform well and last for the life of the vehicle. The wheel spacers weaken the handling on a GMC. The wheel spacers weaken the handling on a GMC. Many people want to know if installing wheel spacers will need. Many people want to know if installing wheel spacers will negatively impact the GMC incredible handling and ride quality. The good news is that installing properly fitted, high-quality wheel spacers on the GMC will improve the handling, ride comfort, or performance. That's why GMC wheel spacers don't cause issues. As long as the wheel spacers match your GMC bolt pattern and hub bolt, it will position the wheels precisely where they need to be without disrupting alignment. It will be positioned the wheels precisely where they need to be without disrupting alignment. Reputable wheel spacer manufacturers pay close attention to these specifications. Improperly installed spacers can throw off your wheel's balance, leading to vibration in the steering wheel and chassis. Half-century quality GMC wheel spacer can maintain properly balance. Install half-century GMC wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century GMC wheel spacers are designed with a half-century in the center that fit perfectly on the wheel assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. This wheel spacer allows the wheel to support the GMC weight better and fill the gap for tight fit, providing a minimum chance of wheel vibration. BONOSS GMC wheel spacer have a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS GMC wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Besides the BONOSS Forge Active Cooling GMC wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation screws to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Overall, high-quality GMC wheel spacers properly installed have little effect on ride quality for most daily driving. As always, quality GMC wheel spacers will enhance ride quality. So, why choose BONOSS Forged Active Cooling Wheel Spacer for your GMC? Huh. Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As the top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of wheel spacers, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from packaging, from production to testing, from packaging to sales. BONOSS promised to deliver the most professional and highest quality product and service. So, why choose BONOSS? The BONOSS GMC wheel spacers have global pattern active cooling design, and all BONOSS GMC wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, and another is aluminum alloy 7075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, the 7075T6 for racing, off-roading. The 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or off-roading. Yeah. And the BONOSS GMC wheel spacers have one is aluminum alloy 6061T6, another is aluminum alloy 7075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And the BONOSS GMC wheel spacers match ISO grade 10 lug nut and ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud. BONOSS wheel spacers have over 66 SGS and Huey test report. And BONOSS also offer OEM service and customization service. We can customize the GMC wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at the practice. And you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3mm to 160mm in the PCDCB composition. All BONOSS GMC wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. The matching like a nut use 40 chrome material by continuously forging progress. By continuously forging process. The matching wheel stud use SCM Volvo steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature resistance, structural stability, long harmful element, with surface defect, and more advantages. BONOSS has a complete GMC wheel spacers production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficiency production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete that adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our product and provide personalized solutions. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our product and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has exceeded 10,000 times. We have strong supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. BONOSS want to provide more additional function for the wheel spacers and make the wheel spacers safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same patient forecast, we think that using high performance parts can really up the driving needs. We think that using high performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious volume. BONOSS full passenger wheel. And then let me introduce the wheel spacers for your Suzuki Jimny. So the first question, are Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers safe? It is safe to use Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers. Quality Suzuki Jimny wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle regional hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to a corresponding wheel hub by clamping floors, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted to each Suzuki Jimny wheels. All forces are transmitted to each Suzuki Jimny hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Suzuki Jimny wheel spaces in stock. In-stock half-century Suzuki Jimny wheel spaces will be safer. Generally, half-century Suzuki Jimny wheel spaces are designed with a half-century in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lugger nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Suzuki Jimny wheel spaces allow the wheels to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for tight fit. Providing minimum chance of vibration. These Suzuki wheel spaces allow the wheels to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for tight fit, providing the minimum chance of wheel vibration. Quality Suzuki wheel spaces provide distinct performance advantages. Many Suzuki Jimny wheel spaces are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spaces, forged aluminum Suzuki Jimny wheel spaces are much stronger as well as for a longer service life. Selecting the best Suzuki Jimny wheel spaces ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in road maintenance. BONOSS Forge FT Cooling Multi-Stage Suzuki. BONOSS Forge Multi-Stage Half-Century Suzuki. BONOSS Forge Multi-Stage Half-Century Suzuki Jimny wheel spaces are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century maiden ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub branch, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Suzuki Jimny wheel spaces, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS Forge multi-stage half-century Suzuki Jimny wheel spaces will effectively reduce the chance of wheel vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS Forge active cooling Suzuki Jimny wheel spaces are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively supporting heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, the BONOSS Forge FT Cooling Suzuki wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. Suzuki Dreamliner wheel space, that's good, not bad. Quality Suzuki Dreamliner wheel space. Quality Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spaces are good to use as long as we install them properly. The Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the wheel hub assembly and wheels. High-quality Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel education, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers offer easy and quick position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved onward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems that install between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters because of the increased inner wheel clearance. You are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel option. These Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires, but rubbing against the suspension component. There are performance benefits to upgrading the Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduce risks. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers provide sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. The BONOSS forged active cooling Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any kind of 4x4 in weight. These Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, the BONOSS forged active cooling Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers are designed with hip dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pattern shape. These screws allow the thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when rotated. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. To ensure strong wheel spacer hot connection, BONOSS forged active cooling Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacer feature ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs as well as ISO grade 10 mechanisms. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative FGS and PV certification card. In addition, BONOSS forged active cooling Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacer come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. Such BONOSS forged active cooling Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs. Why do you need to install Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers with hub centric? Why do you need to install Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers with hub centric? Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers are common modification for car lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers are available in two types, one with hub centric and one without hub centric. We recommend installing the wheel spacers with hub centric. The Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger components or by another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the conventional Suzuki Dreamliner wheel spacers can provide high stability, BONOSS Suzuki Jubilee wheel spacers have a multi-stage pattern design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the rear assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage pattern design of BONOSS makes the installation more simple and safer. And the BONOSS Suzuki Jubilee wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Half-century spacers make sure there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than it. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than if it fits on the. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this kind of spacers is usually more expensive than the lug century, because the center hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of the vehicle. Besides the BONOSS Forge active cooling Suzuki Jubilee wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow completely inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches. They are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors to tremendously enlarge the air flow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. So if you are considering installing the Suzuki Jubilee wheel spacers, remember to choose the ones with half century. So, next question. Can Suzuki Jimny rear spacers cause fuel vibration? Can Suzuki Jimny rear spacers cause fuel vibration? People worry that the Suzuki Jimny rear spacers may cause fuel vibration. In fact, Suzuki Jimny rear spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the Suzuki Jimny rear spacers and the tightness of the lug nuts are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most fuel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric Suzuki Jimny rear spacers. A lug-centric spacers mean there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made large to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle hubs only by wheel studs. If you are using these two spacers, there is a high risk of fuel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric Suzuki Jimny rear spacers will be the easy solution. As long as you use quality Suzuki Jimny rear spacers and install them properly, they will be safe and reliable. Since the wheel stud and lug nuts use a clamping force to secure the Suzuki Jimny rear spacers and wheels, if the studs or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS Suzuki Jimny rear spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM440 steel alloy. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS Suzuki Jimny rear spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM440 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9 with high strength. Your Suzuki Jimny rear spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Hub-centric Suzuki rear spacers keep the wheel centered and balanced on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacers and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolt of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Suzuki rear spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issues. BONOSS Suzuki Jimny rear spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. A hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the barrels with the corresponding hub branch, which eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Suzuki Jimny rear spacers are components that can tear the other part, you absolutely need 9 corner ones. So, how do Suzuki Jimny rear spacers work? Suzuki Jimny rear spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Suzuki Jimny rear spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel application, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Suzuki Jimny rear spacers offer easy and quick position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the feathers, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and trap-filled appearance. Using Suzuki Jimny rear spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame. We have assembled all the suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Suzuki rear spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. The BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Suzuki Jimny rear spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest security and are full of more than 66 SGS and GV test reports. BONOSS also provide the wheel space size from 50 mm to 50 mm. BONOSS Suzuki German wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material is its aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the chip spacers that use low quality are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Suzuki wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the BONOSS forged Suzuki wheel spacers are designed with heat expansion rules to make braking better, distribute and pedal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat expansion effect and improving road safety. Also, the BONOSS forged active cooling Suzuki Dreamer wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. So, the next question: why choose BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers for Suzuki Germany? Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of wheel spacers, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales. The BONOSS Suzuki wheel spacers have global pattern active cooling design, and the BONOSS Suzuki Germany wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061P6, and another is aluminum alloy 7075P6. The 6061P6 for daily driving, and the 7075P6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And the BONOSS Suzuki wheel spacers match ISO grade 10 Nugget and ISO grade 12.9 wheel stat. All BONOSS wheel spacers have over 66 SGS and TV test report. BONOSS also offer OEM ODM service and customization service. We can customize the Suzuki wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at the farthest, and you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3 mm to 160 mm, and the PCDCB conversion. Our BONOSS Suzuki wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. The matching like a nut uses 40 cool material by continuously forging process. The matching wheel stud uses SCM40 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature resistance, structural stability, non-harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. BONOSS have a complete Suzuki GMC wheel-based production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficiency production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, and the installation case have exceeded 10,000 times. We have strong supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and production, meet the needs of larger volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. Meet the needs of larger volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the spaces and make the wheel spaces safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same patient forecast, we think that using high performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious volume. BONOSS for partial view. So, if you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.